Helen Myrofiec, Prif Swyddog Hamdden hefo Cyngor Sir Dinbych. Dyn ni'n ffodus iawn yn y rhan yma o wlad i fod o yn gyrchfan ar gyfer beicio mynydd yn barod, a dyn ni yn gweld effaith cadarnhaol hynny ar yr economi lleol. Felly be dyn ni wedi trio wneud ydy trio cyplysu yr canolfannau gwych sydd gynddyn ni'n barod hefo datblygu llwybrau newydd sy'n cysylltu nhw i gyd hefo'i gilydd. Felly yn y dyfodol bydd rwy'n yn gallu beicio o'r Brenig i Fryniau Clwyd i ganolfan Coed Llandegla ar y beic mynydd gan wneud taith 3 diwrnod a gobeithio cael bobl i aros yn hirach yn yr ardal. Dwi'n meddwl bod ni'n andros o ffodus yma achos mae gennym ni feicio mynydd, mae gennym ni BMX i fyny yn rhel, mae gennym ni beicio ffordd gwych ac hefo'r Tŵr o Britain yn dod yn hwyrach lenni. Mae'n ei ddiddordeb mawr.
I'm Nick Kite, I'm the manager here at the Llynbrenig Reservoir. We've spent £650,000 building this place, of which 42p in the pound was paid for through the European Regional Development Fund. We've managed to double our cafe capacity from what was about 40 covers. Downstairs we've been able to build a cycle hire centre, and that's got 26 bikes in it, all set out for families to come and visit. We've got one full-time member of staff based in our cycle centre that's a new member of staff, and as that's every day of the week, that's about a 1.3 full-time equivalent, so we've managed to generate some extra jobs from the new development.
I'm Catherine Parton, the owner of the old Rectory Bed and Breakfast here in the village of Clochainog on the edge of the forest. Brenig seems to be popular. Guests that have checked out this morning stayed specifically to do the walk around the Brenig yesterday and thoroughly enjoyed it. Also had a number of guests who've been fishing, cycling and walking in the area. And I think with the investment and the promotion that's going on at the moment, I think visitors to the area will continue to increase. I'm looking to extend my business. I have 3 rooms that I let at the moment on a bed and breakfast basis. I have a 4th room that I'm going to refurbish hopefully by the end of this year. The demand is definitely there, and if I had those facilities now, I'm sure I'd be able to let them out on a regular basis.
I'm David Shiel and I'm the project manager for the Parks and People project here at Loggerheads Country Park, which has been funded through the Communities and Nature initiative. I think there's no doubt that without the money through this initiative, the buildings behind us would all be closed up still. The watercourses would be derelict, running dry. It's always been quite sad to see these buildings slowly deteriorating because there was no use for them. So getting people into them, getting them open, showing people this aspect of Loggerheads before it was a country park, the mill here that used to grind flour and also generate electricity, has an important story to tell. Because this has been quite a major development for Loggerheads and has created far more visitor facilities within the park, we've changed our staffing around and we've employed a person full-time within the information centre, and it's part of their role to open these buildings and to make sure that they're working properly and to keep on top of them.
Dwi'n meddwl mae gen ni ganolfannau llwyddiannus iawn fel Coed Llandegla sy'n cael 200,000 o ymwelwyr y flwyddyn. Felly be dyn ni angen wneud ydy cael y bobl yna i mwynhau profiad ehangach. Dyna di'r nod, ydy trio cael bobl i aros yma'n hirach.